You guys and gals, appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. Just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please just do your own research before you tune in. So yes, we will be going over today what I'm looking for, and yeah, let's go over the last day. So nice Friday. All right, 1 second here. I'm gonna pull up all these chats, and then yeah, we're gonna get started here. 1 second. All right, we pulled up the chats. Now we gotta tell the team we're on live. Yo, Liz, thanks for liking the live stream. Appreciate it. All right, let's see here. Yo, Vic, what's up, bro? TikTok live now. All right, cool. Everyone should know that we're on. Yo, happy New Year, everyone. Good to see you guys. Hope you all had a great last few days. For today, we got a couple trades that I'm looking at. So let's go ahead and knock this out. So let's see here. I will be honest. I think I did this on a. Let me see here. So there was this 30-minute chart that I liked that didn't look too bad. IREN, yo, Mike, what's up, bro? Yep, got you guys. We'll go over pretty much over everything as well. Let's see here. Let's see. All right, so I do like the Qs to the upside. I see that we ended up gapping up pretty nicely. I will say I did try this on a 1 hour a little bit earlier, but I changed it up. I did see that we have this nice 1 hour box, and then yes, right above us we got some empty space. So yeah, right above that 621. I do personally want to see up to this 623.50, which looks good. Empty space is there, so pretty much what I'll be looking for is this gap to be filled to this upside. If we can get there. Obviously we ended up gapping up, so could expect a little bit of selling pressure. We'll have to see though. I'm hoping so. May have to tweak this up in the next 6 minutes. So I'll give it 6 minutes or so, because there is a lot of empty space below us, and this could definitely be a box here. So next 6 minutes I'll definitely come back to it and see if we have a nice little wall that we could get down to the bottom. Yo, thanks for the harmonies, appreciate it. I swung a QQQ. Yo, Diana. Yeah, good work. Yeah, it's doing really nice. So hopefully, yeah, it stays up. But yeah, it looks good. There's another little leg up if that happens. Obviously, got some downside if we want to drop below. So yeah, pretty decent. Yo, Jim, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, so yeah, that's on the Qs. We'll go back to this in about 5 minutes or so, see how things play out. SPY, probably gonna have the same words. So there was this play to this downside. Let's see here. I want to get rid of all this. Maybe not all of it, just most of it. Thank you, checking every morning. Yo, yeah, no worries. I'll be here every single day. But yeah, appreciate the being in the live stream. All right, so I'll be honest on this one. All right, I do like the 1 hour. So the 1 hour looks good. Well, I actually think I did the 2 hour. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, SPY 2 hour looks good. There is that empty space that looks good. So yeah, we got some yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. Above that 688. To the downside though, so pretty much same thing. I do want to see in the next couple minutes if we can establish another little wall here. And then yeah, we got empty space, which is there, so looks really good. Not too bad there. Yo, Christian, good morning, bro. Good to see you, man. It says Nike blessed me all week. Bro, honestly, Nike was a great play, and honestly, we'll still go over it. I still have it pulled up. But yeah, it ended up paying great. Good morning, Christian. Do you pay for premium? So yes, I'm not sure exactly what plan I have. I just know that it takes out of my accounts. But yes, I do have a premium version for this. Yo, Catherine, good morning. Good to see you. Happy 2026. That's crazy to say, honestly. It's pretty crazy to say. All right, so yeah, we'll give this a couple minutes. Same thing with the Qs. We'll give that a couple minutes there. I know someone's going to ask me about IWM, so let's go ahead and let's see here. So IWM, let's take a look. Okay, we might have something, just maybe. Okay, let's see here. All right, this is what I like here. So on I think it was what, Wednesday, we ended up taking some IWM puts. So I do like these calls here. Just give me 1 second. So I think I ended up posting it. But yeah, so yeah, this was an opposite play outside of the empty space. And just told him about the puts. I was like, look, let's just get in these puts here at the seller's control. And then boom, we ended up doing that. And yeah, that was a beautiful play. So that was a perfect entry. We never went back above the wall. And yeah, beautiful play. So I originally wanted that play to the upside. And as you see how we called it out inside the chat. But I will say it still looks good. I would kind of want to see if we can get above that 248 so we can finish up to this 250. So that's what I like. You know, looks good. I do like to have simple plays. And yeah, that was a nice little simple play there. Obviously, if we want to finish the upside, and you know, I'll be happy camper. But yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Looks good. Yeah, we got yeah, Victor, something like that, man. All right, so to the downside though, give me 1 second here. All right, I gotta change this song. Give me 1 second. All right, cool. So IWM downside. It looks like. All right, 30 seconds for this. All right, we got 30 seconds for it because there is that empty space here. Honestly, this could be a box right here. I might have to tweak it up in a second. Just give me a moment. So this could be a box here if we close like this. Hopefully we close like that. Yo, appreciate the follows. So yeah, hold on. Let's see there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So it looks like we created a little wall here, a little box. So yeah, if we end up getting under that 247.68, would love to see down to this 246. I get it, not the craziest move, but small little play there. If that ends up happening. So that is on IWM. Obviously, the upside looks really, really good. So we'll have to see. Maybe I should grab my. Where's my pen at? Need my pen and also my notebook. So yeah, give me 1 second, guys. And if anyone has any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. We will be going over everything pretty much. And if you do want to join the Discord and see what we do here, links in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. See what happened on a couple plays, Nike. We will be going over that next, as long as Tesla. But yeah, you can see what some members did on that Nike play. Yeah, it was a beautiful move too. So we'll end up going over it as well. All right, so let's see. Let's see here. Q. All right, after this, I got to go over Tesla. So, let's see. All right, the Qs. We got another little box here. Let me see here. All right. This 45-minute. Okay, so it looks decent. If I ended up taking this one, we would have to have like a very strong close. I might have to tweak this up depending on the next candle closure. But yeah, there is still that empty space that doesn't look bad. It just has to, you know, be clear, and that's it. So right now we're just in that consolidation. Yo, Timo, what's up? So no 250 IWM. I mean, honestly, we could end up going. Right now it's just pre-market, so I could care less what happens. I mean, if we end up reversing and, you know, we want to close above that 248.31, I would love this upside to that 250. But yeah, it really just depends on what the play wants to do. Same thing like like this play here. So IWM, we wanted these calls, and as you can see, we would just inside this box, so there was no trade on that. But I knew that we had seller's control, so ended up just calling out those puts. All right, cool. He said, sorry I'm late, been plowing the 24 inches of snow that we got last night. Dude, that is crazy, man. Hopefully you're all good, man. Honestly, I do not like the snow. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. Yo, Adam, thanks for following, man. Appreciate it. All right, so we did IWM. I do want to go, so we did Qs. Might have to tweak this up a bit. We'll see though. IWM looks like it's trying to go. And then yes, on this we got more empty space. So just give me 1 second here, and then we will continue to go over the other ones. Yo, Miracle, what's up? How active are you in your Discord? I'm pretty active. Each day I'm there. I'm there every single day. I'm very active in the mornings. During the day, you can see, like later in the day, like I know a couple people took these spy puts. You can see those targets ended up hitting. This was what, Wednesday before market close, and I had to leave early a little bit actually, but you can ask all the members. I'm I'm pretty much here walking people through trades, entries, exits, things of that sort, and yeah, you can see how, you know, we call out plays, and yeah, I always give out updates even if it seems like it's 1,000 people watching or just one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But I try to give my best work for sure. All right, so let's see here. 245 down to this yeah, he said he's too active. Exactly, man. So yeah, I do like to like spam the chat, and then, you know, after we hit a trade or two or whatever, maybe we'll have like a lotto. I'll still be, you know, inside the Discord. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and yeah, IW under that 245. We got that nice little gap to this downside, which looks really, really good. Yeah, no worries. I mean, if you want to join the free Discord, that's perfectly fine. Link is in the bio for that. I'm pretty sure these codes are still up, so yeah, we'll leave these up for like another hour or two. So you see those in the chats as well. All right. So, anyways, let's keep going. All right, now hopefully, not saying that it is, but today's Friday, and right now this is Tesla. So, all right, this is what I like here. And honestly, I do want to get rid of this bottom wall. Hold on, give me a second here. All right, let's see. Okay. He said literally to the bell rings. Dude, exactly, man. Honestly, sometimes I miss eating. Like, bro, I'll be like trading and then like typing and all this and all that, or working on like educational content or whatever, and I'll forget to eat. It's crazy. And I'm like, maybe I should eat. All right, so Tesla, this is what I like here. Personally, I would love to see above this 464 up to this 467 area. I will be honest, looks like we are building a little bit of consolidation here. So I might have to tweak this up in the next 30 minutes. So this might have to be another little box here. So just give me a little second here. So under this 455, we got empty space down to this 449, which looks good. Not too bad there. So yeah, that's a nice little play that I can see there. I will also be honest, so there is a nice empty space play here. So I want to see if we can build a little structure. I might end up even taking a lot above that 456. We'll just have to see though how things play out. But yeah, it looks good. All right, so yeah, it looks like we're trying to drop in that. Looks pretty nice. All right, cool. Yo, J-Rad, what's up, bro? Good morning, man. Happy 2026. And the lotto plays will be under the membership Discord, right? So yes, lotto plays will be, so all those plays will be inside the Discord. So you can pretty much see, we got the general chat, we got the potential setups where we post the setups in the mornings, and then so yeah, we'll like post the setups in the mornings, and then we'll wait for them or whatever, and then yes, once the play happens, we'll alert those in the day trading alerts, and then you can see what we do there on that. And then yeah, the lotto plays, you know, these are just going to be lottos or like smaller plays, and yeah, you can see. All right, so that's there. 1 second here. All right, let's see. So yeah, we did IWM, we did the Qs. All right, we did Tesla. All right, now yeah, let's look at Nike, and then yeah, I'm gonna pull up all these other stocks that you guys want me to look at. So 1 second here. Yo, Dust Dollar, what's up? SOV, I got you, man. SPY, I think someone wants to look at SPY. We can definitely do that. Yo, Fritz, what's up, my guy? First time here trying to expand my trading. Dude Fireman, welcome to the live stream. If you have any questions, just let me know. But yeah, we try to keep it as simple as possible. Or at least I do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so pretty sure someone wanted to see BABA. Let me take a look at IWM as well. Give me 1 second here. Alright, so okay, IWM, alright, cool. Alright, so Nike, let's take a look here. Hopefully you guys can see the screen, that'll be great. So yeah, on Nike, beautiful move, man. So we had to swing this, we had to hold this for some days. We had to hold this one. So our entry was actually, or at least mine was over this 62.36 area. We had this nice close outside of our wall, and the first day we had a nice little pop up, and then we ended up dropping back down, and then, well, I think it was pre-market, we had a crazy candle, or after market open or before market open, had a crazy candle, and then boom, we ended up going up. Honestly, I do want to see if we can hit that 65.42. So yeah, nice little play, man. So yeah, it was a great way before 2026. So yeah, that was a beautiful play. So clear gap down, we had that empty space, which was above us. 65.42 would be my final there. So, and you can see that was a play from, you can see where we pretty much were on that, and then pretty much that aftermath there. You can see what a few members did. Shout out Lawnmower, catching that play with us too as well. Nike, you can see Nike, that percentage there. So yeah, not a day. So yeah, it was on a 1 hour, but it wasn't a day trade. Some of our trades, especially for the swings, may take some time, but man, I do not mind. I don't mind holding us, especially if we can get a nice, really good move. All right, so that's there. Yo, Trisha, what's up? Thanks for sharing the live stream. Do you typically play 0 to 2 days? So if I do a same day expiration, I definitely like to manage it a lot more and like cut it if I have to. I do like getting a little bit of time, depending on the move. If it's like a swing trade, I'm at least, and I mean at least, getting a week or two out. Sometimes I might even get a little bit more. All right, so let's see here. So SOV, so as you can see, that play to this upside already pretty much hit. So you can see that was this box here and then empty space. Boom. Okay. So yeah, there's some pockets here, I would say. Let's see. All right. So it looks like we're making a little box here, and then yes, right under this wall, under the 66.78, if we end up getting that nice candle close, could easily see down to that 65.23, which isn't bad. And then yes, right above us. So this isn't really a box. This is more of just like of a level. So yeah, we would have to break above that 67.74 to try up to that 68.97. So yeah, that's what I can see there, which looks good. Empty space is right above us, so looks good, looks decent. So yeah, that's what I can see there. NBIS, all right, cool. Let's see, I got you guys. NBIS, oh yeah, we're pretty much just gonna go down the line. And yeah, we'll go over SPY again, no worries. Always in the money, even on longer dated plays. Sorry, new to options. Dude, what's up, man? All good, bro. So I do like to get out the money contracts. So there will be plays like, you know, at least for like my day trades or even my swing trades where, like, boom, let's see. I kind of want to show you like a QQQ example or Tesla example. So on Tesla, I do like getting, you know, out the money contracts. At least for me, that, you know, I don't know about you guys, so just make sure to do your own research. But for me, so let's just say we're in this box. I'm targeting this 460s. So that's my target. I'll probably grab some 460s. Maybe I might grab some 458, something like that, close to my targets. I will say Tesla will, at least for me, it lets me grab a little bit further out the money. But I just probably won't go too far. If it's like a swing like Nike, if it's a swing like ANF, I just try to go to my targets, try to, you know, target that imbalance. Sometimes I might get closer, you know, out the money, maybe just like 1 or 2 out, but it really just depends on the contracts and how they look. So yeah, I pretty much just do out the money. Sometimes I grab it a little bit further if it's like maybe like Tesla, but if it's like a trade like, you know, like Nike maybe, or it could be any type of swing, and maybe I'll get in just a little bit closer. All right, so let's see here. Affirm looks good on the weekly setup. All right, yeah, let's take a look there. Affirm is the Widowmaker. All right, one second here, guys. All right, cool. Let's see here, 24-hour. So NBIS. Let me take a look. So we might have to go to a lower time frame for this one. Let me take a look here. Alright, so on this, so no, I'll be honest, I'm not in this one, but actually it doesn't look bad at all. I would say. So it looks like this move is trying to leave. So if we end up leaving, we'd love to see up to that 91.25. So yeah, we got that empty space, which looks good. So if we can get there, we do have that empty space, which isn't bad. So yeah, that's what I can see there. So yeah, I do like to see up to that 91.27, and then yes, there's a little bit more pockets above. But yeah, that's just what I can see there. Yeah, hopefully, actually, it doesn't look bad. I actually will write it down, see how things play out on it. NBIS. Yeah, a few of us in PBS have tried to play it up and have to exit, wait for the re-entry. Dude, all good, man. So, I mean, there will be times where I have to stop out and get a re-entry in it. You know, that's perfectly fine. But, yeah, as long as the full play can hit, you know, that's perfect. So, there's nothing wrong with getting stopped out for sure. Alright, so eBay. Let's see here. Yo, Lee, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. Jeff, what's up, bro? W, okay, cool. Gotcha. Yo, Shirley, what's up? Yeah, I got you with CLH. Yeah, we'll definitely take a look at it. Yo, Catherine, exactly. So, yeah, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. For me, I just don't like to stress about it. Like, man, I don't know if this play gonna work or if I'm gonna lose. I'm just gonna react to the levels pretty much. Yeah, eBay looks good. I like it. But yeah, above that 88.56. eBay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Up to that 97.98. So yeah, it looks good. Want to see if we can break outside this box, and then yeah, we've got that nice little pocket there that looks pretty good. So yeah, we shall see. We shall see. All right, cool. So we did that. Let me take a look. So Fritz, hopefully you're watching, and then yes, Yo Miracle, hopefully you're still watching too. We'll go over IWM as well. We'll do that again. Let me see here. Might have to tweak this box up a bit, just maybe depending on. Actually, maybe I don't. Okay, cool. We don't. All right, nice. All right, so yeah, we'll go over IWM and SPY. So SPY, this is what I like here. I did see this 2 hour. It's not bad looking. Above the 688, we do have empty space up to this 690. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. We'll love to see if we can get a nice candle close above that wall there. To the downside, I will say, let's see here. I'm gonna be honest. I'll probably wait for the next candle to close before I make a box, and we still have time before market ends up even opening. But yeah, there is an empty space here. I want to see if we can build a nice little wall here. So we got another little close that will be coming before market open. So it looks good to the downside. Just want to make a correct box pretty much. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that. All right, cool. Let's go over that. So IWM. All right, let's do it. Let's see here. So to the upside, this is what I like, and you know, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. So this is the move that I that I wanted. Oh, let's see. It was on Wednesday. So yeah, we had this clear gap down, no consolidation. Pre-market, we actually broke and closed above. So I actually wanted to retest, but then I saw that sellers had control, so I just called out those puts. So pretty much that same move. I just want the upside, so hopefully we can get a nice break and close outside this box, and then boom. Want to see up to that 250 basically. Obviously to the downside, if we keep dropping, let's see here. Could see a little bit of empty space down to that 246, and then yeah, my first will be that 247.10. So yeah, that's what I can see there. That's what I like, which doesn't look too bad. All right, and then yeah, I mean, not saying that it will. I've been waiting for this move for, you know, a while, but yeah, under this 245, yeah, we got a nice little pocket down to this 239, which looks really good. So yeah, pretty decent. We'll just have to see how things open up for IWM. All right, cool. Let's take a look here. BABA. All right, perfect. Let's see here. Yo, thanks for the roasters. Appreciate it. Yo, Ethan, thanks for the follow as well. Yo, D-Rich, what's up, bro? Are you asking what's the wall or what's a wall? All right, so BABA. So that downside, we already hit that, but oh, actually, 152, 154. Let me see here. Let's see. All right, I do have something here. Yo, Mr. Charles, what's up, bro? I think I remember you from last live stream. Yeah, I got you with Tesla, man. No worries. All right, let's see here. Kind of want to just box this whole thing up, and then yeah, we got empty space that is above us. So I get it. It looks like a little small move. I want to see up to this 154.42. We got the empty space, which doesn't look too bad. So right now we're just in that box. Want to see if we can break outside that wall into that empty space. So looks good. All right, so let's see here. CLH. All right, cool. We'll take a look at these trades. If it'll load, that'd be great. Please load, man. All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, for CLH, I will be honest, we're still in this empty space here. It's just moving so slow. So I was hoping for like a nice move after New Year's. So hopefully we can just break above and then, yeah, go into this empty space here, which looks good. We'll let us see if we can clear this 46, 44 for that nice little upside move. So yeah, that's what I can see there, which looks good. All right, let's see here. So yeah, I want to go back over Tesla as well. So yeah, I'll check back on this during the day on CLH. Let's see. So on that, in Spahio, Luke, what's up, bro? Gotcha, man. We'll take a look at it. Just make sure everyone do their own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so. All right, so Tesla, I do like Tesla. It looks really good. We got empty space that is below us here, so it looks like we're created another little box. Do want to see under that 455 down to this 449, which looks good to me. I did have the upside above this 464, but I do also see that we have another little pocket here from this. Let's see. From this 456, but I'll be honest, this is not really a box or area consolidation. So if I end up taking this play above this 456 area, it would have to be like a extreme lotto, like since it's not really a a box. So yeah, above that 456, I do like it, but probably up to that 461. But yeah, it's just more so like a lotto play if that ends up happening. He said, I'm sorry, but I'm working. All good, man. No, I did not do WBD yet. So, yeah, we'll go over that, too, as well. I got you, man. So, it looks good. If I end up taking a lotto above that 456, that would be cool, but has to get a nice break and close above. So, not really a crazy box. We'll see how things play out with that. But, yeah, I do like the downside, though. It looks good. All right, so WBD. All right, we'll take a look here. Let's see. Yo, Dust Dollar, what's up, bro? Any trades we can scout because they'd have been eating my profits all week? Honestly, I'm looking at a few. I like the keys too as well, but we'll see how things play out. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Yo, what's up, everyone in the other chat? Good to see you guys. So on SPY, man, honestly, I'm only going to follow the charts, so I kind of want to wait for this next 4 minutes. In the next 4 minutes, so I can get a nice close. But I will say above us, above that 688, I would love to the upside. If we can get that nice break above. Obviously, to this downside, it looks like we're, just trying to drop here. Let's see here. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this next close, and then we'll go back over it to see where this candle closes. See where I can put this box at. All right, let's see here. Let's see. But yeah, I still like it. Looks good. I'm just gonna see how this closes, and then boom. See if we can get another little box there. Looks decent. So it kind of looks like the Q's here. So if we end up closing on this, would love to have a nice retest before trying anything. All right, cool. All right, so WBD. What did I screenshot? I didn't screenshot anything. No, I swear I didn't. At least I don't know I did. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Oh, dude, actually, there might be a move here. Just maybe. All right, let's see here. So, yeah. We can look at this weekly chart first, and then we'll go down to a lower time frame. So, for the upside, this is what I'd like here. Actually doesn't look too bad. I want to see above this 32.29 to that 37.36. I will say there's some crazy downside on this. If we want to drop, well, let's see here. Let's see. I did this on the 24-hour too, or at least I've seen it on here. He said the real question is SoFi going to move 2026? Man, honestly, we should check it. I should check and see where it's at. Hopefully it does. Alright, so yeah, WDB, yeah, we're in this box now. Honestly, below us, below that 2758 actually looks really decent. So, we'll love to see if we can get that nice little play to the downside. Right now, we're just stuck in that box, and everyone knows this by now. We're in that box, no trade. We break outside the wall, we take the trade. So, just like Nike, we're in the box, no trade. Obviously, we broke outside of it. We closed outside, and then empty space was there. So that's what I kind of would want to see with all these trades, and hopefully we can get some nice percentages like how Nike gave us. So yeah, Nike was a beautiful play, beautiful swing. All right, yeah, let's keep on going. I believe. All right, let's see here. So if I could type today, that would be great. All right, cool. All right, SPY, Qs. Okay. No, I think we got some decent moves for today, though. Yo, love my wife. Thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. Drew, thanks for the follow, man. All right, so. All right, yeah, we're still in that box there. 50 seconds for Tesla. Let's see here. All right, so looks like we want to have some crazy push here. All right, so yeah, looks like this upside might be. Yeah, we're getting some crazy movement right now. Dude, yeah, Christian, exactly. So I'm not going to rush into anything. We had a great week this week already, and Nike just topped it off. So for today, man, I'll definitely get into 1 or 2 trades, and then see how things play out. All right, so I want to see how this candle closes. That would be great. All right, so it actually looked, hopefully, yeah, that actually looks really good. I still like this downside though, so if we end up getting that downside, that'd be great. On that 455 area. But I will say, this looks like this is not a box yet. So before you roast me, before you say anything, I get, yes, this candle has to close like this, but if we can get a nice close like this and then break above this box here, I will love that empty space above us. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, we'll see, because look at that. That's beautiful. So I can just get rid of this. Obviously, it looks like it's trying to go for the empty space. But if we close like that, yeah, it would have been cool. We'll just have to see how things play out. So yeah, Tesla looks like it's doing something crazy right now. That's all that I know. All right. Yeah, it doesn't want to wait. Hey, are you posting the? Yeah, I'll be posting. Yeah, I'll be posting like some. I'll be posting, my top watches inside the Discord. So just like every morning, yeah, I'll be posting everything inside the Discord, and the potential setups, and then yeah, we'll definitely go by that for sure. All right, cool. Okay. All right, perfect. And yes, can I look at Oxy? Yo, gotcha, bro. My bad. I've seen your comment, but all right. So we got to go over SOFI. I'm going to keep these 2 up. Meta. Okay, cool. We'll take a look at these as well. All right, perfect. Yeah, Tesla's going crazy right now. That's wild. All right, yes, guys and gals, give me 1 second here. I'm going to actually give me a nice little refill. So just 1 second. If you do plan on joining the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll still be here. If I did miss your trade, just go ahead and drop in the comments. We got these that we will be going over first. So yes, 1 second here. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so yes, I'm back. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. All right, so it looks like Tesla's trying to go to that upside here. We'll see how this closes. I'm not really too worried about it. Gonna say really patient. All right, so yeah, it looks like this empty space is trying to go up, hitting these targets here. But yeah, I kind of wanted to see if we could have waited. For market open, that would have been great, but yeah, if we end up dropping that, that's fine too. So this is kind of what I wanted to see here, and then boom, yeah, you can see that that target just literally just ended up hitting. So yeah, this is what I kind of wanted at open, but we'll see. There's also another little leg up, so I care less. All right, so now let's keep on going here. Yeah, it looks like that looks like it's trying to go. So this is what I wanted today. Yeah, that's wild. Dang, Tesla is going. All right, let's see. All right, cool. All right, yeah, we'll just check up back on it. We might end up hitting that final target, but we'll see. All right, cool. All right, Qs, I might have to tweak this up just a bit here now. Kind of want to see it under this. That close. All right, cool. Gonna have those same targets. All right, so wick. All right, nice. All right, yeah, pretty much just had to tweak some things up with these charts here. Still like to see if we can hit that upside, but yeah, we shall see how things play out. Yeah, Tesla's going crazy right now. All right, so yeah, so let's keep going. Oxy. I'm pretty sure I already know what time frame I did this one, but there is a little pocket here that I can see, which, all right, so there's some upside, there's some downside as well. Upside, I do see that there was a little pocket that we'll go over, but there's a bigger move that doesn't look bad. Right above this 43.20 area, we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can get above that, if we can get a nice 4-hour candle body close, let's see that 44.52. So yeah, not a bad little play there. So that looks good. Don't want to lock it. To the downside, nice little Potter box, and right under this 41.03. I get it. Before you say anything, this is not the craziest move. This is nothing, wild. Of course, I understand that. But yeah, we do got empty space to this downside there, so that's also what I can see. All right, let's see here. Yes, sir. No worries, man. My bad. I swear I seen your comment, like, at the beginning. All right, so yeah, that's there. That's on. Obviously, yes. There's a little gap here, as well. So, little box there. I get it. Another thing there. Not the craziest move, but from that 41.80 up to that 42, 43. So, another little play. If we do want to get that little move up. So right now, yeah, we're just in that box. So hopefully we can make a little move either outside that 41.03 or above that 41.80. So looks good. All right, so SOFI. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. This is kind of irrelevant. And yeah, I got to look at NVIDIA and then AMD. I got to look at those two. I haven't looked at those quite yet. So So yeah, hopefully we get a nice move for 2026. This is what I can see here. So yeah, above that 27. So this is my favorite move here. This is something that I would love. I've been waiting on it. I have my alert set on this, so I'll be ready. So above that 27.79, we got that empty space up to this 29.21. So yeah, that looks good. It looks decent. We'll just have to see if we can get that nice little break into that empty space, which looks really good. So yeah, that's on SOFI. That's probably the move I'll definitely wait for. All right, so let me take a look here. So let me see. NVDA, I want to look at that. AMZN, I want to look at that as well. I haven't looked at that at all. Meta, I think, yeah, we all know about this one here. So if this happens, hopefully this happens 2026. If we can get this clear break, so above this 673. Empty space above us to that 751. So looks good. Looks like all these plays here. Looks like Meta clear gap down. Want to see a break above the wall into the empty space. So clear gap down there. Want to see that break above that wall into the empty space, and then boom, looks good. So that's what I would want to see. I kind of want to see a nice little big percentage, like how that Nike play ended up giving. All right, so let's see. NVDA, I have not went over this yet. I do not think. Hold on. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay. You know what's wild on this one? We do have a nice move. Okay. Alright, so pretty much just want to box this thing up here. And then yeah, right above this wall here, above this 190 area, we got empty space up to this, actually not a bad move if it can happen. Alright, cool. So yeah, 190 up to this 192. Looks good, looks decent. If this happens, I do want to see a nice candle close. I know how NVIDIA likes to play around, so I want to see a nice close here. And then I will be honest, if we break above that 192, I might even end up leaving a little lotto runner trying to reach up to this, I know it sounds crazy, but up to this 195. So there's that little pocket there that I could see, which, if it happens, not saying that it will, but if it does, looks good. He said, Guru, look at, yeah, I got you, man. All right, cool. We'll take a look there. All right, let's see. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, let's see. NVIDIA looks good, looks decent. I will check on, so we did Meta. AMZN, I don't think we're, okay, it looks like we actually closed above that wall, but we ended up breaking back under this wall, so hold on. I do want to see if I could tweak this up just a bit here. So 233, kind of want to see up to this, let's see. Let's see. So 233 up to that 235 looks good. Do want to see if we can get that nice break outside that box. And then, yeah, we got the empty space. So pretty much had to tweak this box up, see if we can get that nice little move. All right, cool. So 233, 235 looks decent. Want to see if we can get that nice clear break outside that box. And yeah, empty space is there. So it looks really, really good. Let me see here. All right. Where are the Qs at? Okay, okay. So QQQ, it's trying. Let's see, Tesla. He said Tesla's about to dump. Oh, dude. Oh, hopefully he doesn't leave us. That'll be great. Obviously, yeah. For today, I'm just gonna have some patience. Obviously, if it shows me a nice little close, I'll definitely, you know, try for sure. Dude, yeah. If it dumps, that'll be crazy, man. Hold on. Yeah, that's wild. All right. So we got about 15 minutes or so, 17 minutes for empty space. Please look at RH. Yo, that's all I got you, man. RH. All right, cool. Or did you mean Robin Hood? So HOOD. Let me know. I think you meant Robin Hood. But if you're talking about RH, this is what I have here. So I've been waiting on this one for a while. We'll go ahead and redo it pretty much. Let's see. So we're just going to tweak this up just a bit. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, we got some Potter boxes, and then yeah, we got some empty space up from he said all technical, not fundamental runaway fam. Dude, honestly, I only use one strategy. I only use Potter box, and that's it. I could care less, you know, what how I feel, at least. I only, you know, trade what I can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, that's on RH above that 252, empty space up to that 411. So yeah, looks good. All right, let's see here. So yeah, it looks like everything's trying to dip here. All right, let's see here. Meta, we did that. So let me see where IWMN is as well. RKT, yep, gotcha, bro. RKT, oops, not gonna do that. All right, RKT. Do I have space for SLV, ORCO? Yo, D-Rich, what's up, bro? Gotcha, man, my bad. We'll take a look there as well. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, I'll be honest with you on ORCL. Okay, I'm waiting on this one as well. Let me go ahead and write this down again. All right, hold on, let's see here. So it actually looks good. It actually looks decent, but we'll see how things play out. Let's see here. ORCO, yeah, above that 198. I love this upside up to that 221. It looks like, you know, all these other plays that I have. Right now, we've just been back and forth in between these levels, in between these boxes. So we'll love to see a break outside of this box, outside this 198, so we could go into this empty space up to this 221. So that's what I can see there. If you did want to look at it on a 30-minute chart, so yeah, you know, definitely a little box here for sure. So if we want to, you know, drop back down, there is empty space down from this. Personally, I might end up trying it down to here. So yeah, pretty much that same pocket, that same little imbalance area, that call space is there. So yeah, empty space is there, which looks good. All right, let's see. All right, cool. My bad, I had to send a couple of charts. All right, so that's there. All right, so IWM, I might have to tweak this up a bit. Looks good. So it looks like we ended up. All right, so 12 minutes. I might have to take this break under there. We'll see though. We'll see. All right, yeah, looks good. Yeah, we got a couple plays. Don't look too bad. IWM right above 2. All right, so on IWM looks good. I have this on the 1 hour, so above this 248. We do got this empty space up to this 250, which looks good. Obviously from this play here, so it looks like we already closed under this box. Could end up entering under this 247.63, or if we end up getting a nice retest. So if we end up, so we're in this box now. I would love to see a nice rejection from this wall, and then empty spaces there. So it looks good. So yeah, we shall see for today, man, for sure. All right, cool. Looking pretty good. Yeah, I do see a lot of plays that look really decent. So yeah, for today, just gonna stay patient and just see how things play out. Obviously, I do see a couple of good plays that don't look bad at all. So yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. So hold on, let's see. Did we do RKT? I don't think we did. Let me take a look here. Let's see. RKT. Okay. Let's see. 20. Weekly. All right. So I'll be honest with you. These charts, at least on RKT, it doesn't look, as appetizing, I guess you could say. I guess that could be the word. I will say if I had to take this one, which I probably won't take this one, I would have to wait for that break outside that consolidation, targeting to the same space of that 21.15, which looks good. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see how things play out. Yo, Abdul, what's up, bro? Honestly, I do like the keys. Keys look good, bro. Probably having a good 2026 already. So yeah, right now we're just inside of this consolidation, inside this box. So my goal for this is to break outside this level, and then yeah, there's that empty space that looks really good. All right, so yeah, that's on RKT. Tesla's dumping, is it? Ooh, Carla, it looks like the other day. It literally looks like the other day. So hopefully, I don't really want to chase into it, but if we can close and then maybe have a retest, that'll be good. So we'll see though. So kind of would love to see like a retest. So this kind of what happened last time. So we ended up closing under, right open. Then want to see like a nice retest there. Obviously, if we end up going back into this box though and going up, then definitely not. But want to see retest, reject, and then boom, empty space. So that's what I kind of would want to see. If I chase it, it would be like a lotto. All right, cool. Keys are going down too, is it? All right, so. All right, guys, I'll open the market open. I'll open it early for you guys. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's see. Okay, cool. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I don't want to see pretty much the same thing. Looks good. Imagine. I need a win, so I'm riding with the VIP Discord all day for a sniff. Dude, yeah, we'll be here. I'll be here pretty much, the whole day. So yeah, looking forward to it, man. So we'll see how things end up playing out for today. All right, so SPY. I think someone wanted to see SPY as well. Okay, cool. Let's see. Let's see SPY. All right. Yeah, SPY. Pretty much. Honestly, might be a little box here, and then we'll love to see if we can close and then get a nice little retest, and then if we can, 682. That's what I can see there, which doesn't look too bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. If this wants to happen, looks good. Obviously, on this 2 hour though. If we break above this wall here, above that 688, we got empty space up to that 690. So we're just gonna have to see how things play out. Not really in a rush. I'm just gonna see how things go. And yeah, it looks really good. Alright, yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. I will be getting off now. I got a lot of typing to do. Everyone knows this by now. So yes, please do your own research if you do plan on joining in. If you don't want to, no worries. If you do, link is in the bio. We'll leave these codes up for another hour or two, and then they're completely done. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll either see you inside the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name.